Welcome to a quick dive into Designrr, the tool that transforms how you create and distribute content. Say goodbye to tedious formatting and hello to automated content creation. Whether it's stunning eBooks, dynamic flipbooks, or websites, Designrr leverages AI to streamline your workflow. You can start with new ideas or transform existing blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs into fantastic eBooks, enhancing your reach and influence while growing leads. Whether you're a writer or someone inundated with PDFs, if your world revolves around text and multimedia, this tool is your new best friend. With a selection of templates at your fingertips, creating content is as easy as selecting your theme. And let Designrr do the heavy lifting.
Thank you, Dolores, my AI assistant. Okay, folks, so this is Steph, and we're going to actually create an ebook. That's what this is famous for. And it's just not just the ebook. Whatever subject you give it is what the ebook will be about. Full table of contents and everything. Check it out. I use Word Genie. There's different ways you could do it, but this is the easiest way, okay? Let's see here. How about the skills? Management. Looks like that's one of their words. Okay, we're going to do the English language. Sub-niches, crisis management and nonprofits. Audience, how about parents? Once again, I'm just putting it out here and letting the Word Genie actually create an ebook based on whatever I choose right now. I'm going to select the Parents Playbook, Strategies for Crisis Management in Nonprofit Work. That's a lot going on, so you know it has to be pretty good. The voice is informative. The theme of project is education and kids. Most popular themes, they give you a list. And if you don't find what you want, it's right here. The best way to understand this is just to do it, but it's great. So here we go. Here's the title. All of these are chapters. So it's giving me, it's usually about 10 chapters. Okay. And if everything looks good, and then you go next. And Word Genie actually proofreads the text for you. So it's generating right now. This is so great, especially if you have a project and you need to do a quick proposal of some sort. It's great. So here it is right here. It gives you all the chapters. It's still generating right now. Okay. There's the next chapter. And this stuff is good. This is really good. Their AI is trained really nice. Of course, you have to read it, to make sure it's okay. And I'll tell you, I created a book on here. Whoo, I was like, wow, this is really good, right? People could say plagiarism, but what do you mean? If everybody in history copies someone else because you're reading and you're learning, so you're learning from someone else. But as far as plagiarism, with all the dictionaries in the world and all the different languages and all the encyclopedias and all the information on the internet and all the word from all the billions of people, yeah, it's a lot going on to say that you're copying someone. AI is copying. We all pull from whatever source we can pull it from. Okay, so it's still doing its thing here. Okay, so it's done. It took about 5 minutes. And so it has chapter 1, Understanding Crisis and Nonprofit Work. It has other sub-paragraphs. Then it's chapter 2, all the way up to chapter 10. I mean, this is good stuff. Obviously, if you want to read it, you can download it or something, but this is really good stuff. Okay, so I need to choose a template. Okay, I'm sure everybody has these templates. You can do your own. I usually do my own cover, but for this situation, let's just find a template here. Let me see here. Parenting. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab the parenting situation. I'm going to go ahead and use this template. Okay, so it's totally going to lay it out, and you can edit it from here. It's up to you to experiment. I'm just showing you how easy this is. This is an actual PDF that is in my name that I can take credit for and upload to Amazon right now and start selling. But let me just see here. If I did want a table of contents. Okay, let's drag it probably about here. We're going to go with, how about this right here? And of course you have to, do your own editing and stuff. But the whole point is, can you really see how simple this is? I hope so. So as you can see, all the chapters is nice and laid out. You can embed video or audio. Okay, you might not like this color. And you can also just export to Word or export to Google Docs or something. Okay, it's up to you. The whole point is that everything that you want to do, you can do in here. I really like this. It's a full-fledged ebook. All right, and let's do a preview. Hey, this is it, literally. And I'll tell you, if you're an author, this is really great. And don't feel guilty if you're combining your writing skills with a program like this. It's actually very powerful. But that's it, people. That's all it is to it.
Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work.